Dear students, the next question from work power energy, NEET based question number 19. See the question. A body of mass 5 kg moving along a straight line is accelerated from 4 meter per second to 8 meter per second with the applications of force of 10 Newton in the same direction. Then they are asking work done, displacement and time. So we want to find work done, displacement and time, as well as we want to compare this value, then we want to finalize. Okay, let's see one by one. Listen, I'll read the question. A body of mass 5 kg. So this body of mass, so let's imagine this body of mass 5 kg. So mass is equal to 5 kg. Is move along a straight line with accelerated from, is move along a straight line, it's accelerated from, so initially that velocity is 4 meter per second. So initial velocity, so let us imagine I write initial velocity u is equal to 4 meter per second. Then after that its a final velocity, is, that is v, that is equal to 8 meter per second. So this is happened due to that applied force only. The applied force is along with the displacement direction. So the force value given as 10 Newton. This is the question. So now they are asking work done, displacement and a time factor. So I am plan to conduct my convenient. First I am going to calculate that acceleration value. So in this question, first I am going to calculate the acceleration. So here force is there. So force is, force acceleration relation F is equal to ma. Therefore acceleration is equal to F by m. Force value is 10 Newton divided by mass of the body 5 kg. So 10 by 5 we can write 2. So acceleration of the body is 2 meter per second squared. But they didn't ask acceleration, but by using the acceleration other factor it is possible to find. So let's find the displacement. Because if you observe the option A is they are asking work done. So work done formula work done equal to force into displacement. So we need displacement first. So displacement. So let's say take the equations of motion, that is v squared is equal to u squared plus 2a s is the displacement. So I need s only. So this u squared is moving this side minus v squared u squared. Therefore v squared minus u squared is equal to 2as. So I need s alone, that is displacement s is equal to v squared minus u squared divided by 2 into acceleration. So just now I apply the value. So s is equal to v squared. V squared is the final. So final velocity is 8. So 8 squared is 64 minus u squared. U squared is initial velocity. Initial velocity is 4. So 4 squared is 16 divided by 2 into acceleration. Acceleration already we found as 2. Okay. So therefore 64 minus 16. 64 minus 16 is 48. So 48 divided by 4. So this is equal to 12 times. So 12 meter. So we found displacement is 12 meter. Okay. Then finally we can compare one by one. So next case, after displacement, I am going to calculate that work done or time factor, anything. So I am going to calculate the work done. So work done. So work, the formula. Work formula is, that is a force into displacement. So work done is equal to, actually by using this concept we can write as that is F dot D. This is common formula, just a general formula like a lower standard level, force into displacement. But now that is FD cos theta. Okay, is along with the same direction. So the angle theta is 0. So cos 0 is 1. So we can write F into D. Therefore work done is equal to force value, you know, 10 Newton. Then displacement now only found, that is a 12 meter. So therefore work done is equal to 120 joule. So work done also correct. And then last one, the time. We are going to calculate time. So generally, you know, so time is there, the change in velocity is there. So it is possible to find by using the acceleration formula. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. Therefore time is equal to change in velocity divided by acceleration. So change in velocity, that is final velocity 8, initial velocity 4, divided by acceleration, you know, 2 meter per second squared. So therefore time is equal to 8 minus 4 is 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2 second. So time is equal to 2 second. So now I am going to observe the option one by one. Okay, so let's see this option. Option A, the work done by the force is 120 joule. So we found 120 joule, so option A is correct. The next option B, displacement of the body is 12 meter. See that the displacement of the body is 12 meter. So option B also correct. Next, time for change in velocity is 2 seconds. See that change in velocity, it's taking time is 2 seconds. So all the options is correct. So here the correct answer is answer D. That is all of the above correct. Okay students, I hope you understand this question. Thank you.